Hello, one and all. Good evening to everyone. I am Dipti Joyshar from Adata Trust. आप सबको जॉय ऑफ गिविंग वीक के लिए वेलकम कर रही हूँ। थोड़ा मैं ब्रीफ देना चाहती हूँ कि जॉय ऑफ वीक है क्या। सो जॉय ऑफ गिविंग वीक उसको हम दान उत्सव भी बोलते हैं, जो एवरी ईयर फ्रॉम 2 अक्टूबर टू 8 अक्टूबर होता है। और ये 1 अक्टूबर आप सबको पता है कि इंटरनेशनल वर्ल्ड एल्डर्स डे है। तो ये इंटरनेशनल वीक भी वो बोला जाता है। तो दिस ईयर हम लोग के दो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एनजीओज हैव कोलैबोरेटेड विथ ईच अदर, और हम एल्डर्स के लाइफ में जॉय लाने के लिए एक ब्यूटीफुल पूरे वीक का प्रोग्राम क्रिएट किया है। यहाँ पे हमको हेल्प करने के लिए बहुत सारे प्रोफेशनल वॉलंटियर्स आ रहे हैं, जैसे कि डॉक्टर्स, न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट, मैजिशियंस, मेंटल हेल्थ पर्सनालिटीज, वेलनेस कोचेस, और बहुत सारे लोग हमको वॉलंटियर कर रहे हैं ओनली टू हमको जॉय ऑफ गिविंग वीक के लिए, मीन्स एल्डर्स की लाइफ में वो जॉय डालने के लिए। So, the goal of this virtual session is to spread joy, smile, and happiness in our senior citizens' life. मैं थोड़ा ब्रीफ देना चाहूंगी दोनों ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस के। तो फर्स्ट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो है वो है मुंबई फर्स्ट। सो मुंबई फर्स्ट इज अ नॉट फॉर प्रॉफिट थिंक टैंक which aims at making Mumbai a better place to live, work, and invest in. As a think tank and a catalyst between industry and government, Mumbai First has in the last 10 years been working towards its a vision of transforming the Mumbai metropolitan region into a world class city for its citizens and most preferred destination for businesses. तो ये छोटा सा ब्रीफ है मुंबई फर्स्ट का। नाउ आई विल गिव अ ब्रीफ अबाउट द अदाता ट्रस्ट। Adata Trust is a community center for the senior citizens. Mr. Arun Nanda sir is a managing trustee of Adata Trust, and Miss Clara D'Souza is a COO of the Adata Trust. Adata Trust has a 12 centers in and across the Mumbai, and many more yet to come. Adata Trust work for the betterment of the senior citizen. We believe in the psychosocial aspects of the senior citizen. उसमें हम सीनियर सिटीजन वी हेल्प सीनियर सिटीजन्स टू बी अ सेल्फ रिलायंट। नाउ आई विल कम बैक टू द जॉय ऑफ गिविंग वीक सेशन। जैसे कि कल आपने दो एनर्जेटिक ब्यूटीफुल इंफॉर्मेटिव सेशन देखे जॉय ऑफ गिविंग वीक में, आज हमारे बीच में दो पर्सनालिटी आ रहे हैं, इंटरेस्टिंग पर्सनालिटी आ रहे हैं टू एंगेज अस इन अ 2 hour सेशन। So I would like to introduce our first guest, Mr. Praveen Mankar. Uh, Hello, Mr. Praveen ji.
Hello, good
I
evening.
Good evening, Mr. Praveen ji. I would like to give a brief about Mr. Praveen ji. He is a multi-talented personality. He is a pharmacist, industrial consultant, trainer, technical auditor. He is a teacher of breathing yoga and meditation. He also volunteer juniors to achieve their goal in life. He is a career counseling for school students. He is a chairman of Pratibim Charitable Trust. सो आज हमारे बीच में मिस्टर प्रवीण आए हैं, जो हमको कैसे लाइफ को जीना है उसके रिलेटेड कुछ वो बोलेंगे। सो आई वोंट टेक मोर टाइम, और मैं ये सेशन हैंड ओवर करना चाहती हूँ मिस्टर प्रवीण को। मिस्टर प्रवीण, हैंड ओवर टू यू।
Thank you, Dipti. Thanks a lot for introducing. Namaste, greetings everyone. Let's begin straight away. Life begins now. This now, अभी, ये वक्त, ये घड़ी है जीने की। जो बीता सो बीत गया, जो आने वाला है वो उसका पता नहीं है। जो अभी की घड़ी है वो घड़ी जियो. So rejoice and be happy is the mantra for now. कैसे? चलो देखते हैं. Let us see. I'm your chat friend today, and you can talk to me anytime from today on this number. This is my personal number. It's also my WhatsApp number. Anytime you feel like talking to me, I'm available to you. In today's world of social media and connectivity, you get a lot of interesting stuff on the internet. And I have been scanning the internet for a fair amount of years now. And I'm seeing some magical things about human beings on the net. So this guy is Fauja Singh, and he ran the London Marathon at the age of 101. When he was 101 years old, he ran the marathon. In 6 hours, some odd minutes, he completed that marathon. He's also nicknamed as Turban Tornado, Running Baba, Sikh Superman. Just like you and me, he's a human being just like you and me, but fantastic ability and fantastic willpower, fantastic purpose in life. Estelle Bertrand Lynch. She was 101 years young, and she transited this year, 21st February this year, she transited. In the dance video that you just saw, she was 96 years young and her partner was 26 years young. She learned ballroom dancing at the age of 93. She was the youngest yoga teacher. Why am I saying she was the youngest yoga teacher? She was teaching yoga even when she was 101 years young. And incidentally, she was brought up in India. She was born and brought up in India, in Pondicherry. Mother was a French woman, father was an Indian. And look at her doing a yoga pose at the age of 101. What's the difference between these two personalities that I showed you on screen? Fauja Singh and Estelle Bertrand Lynch. It doesn't matter which country you belong to. It doesn't matter what color of your skin you have. It doesn't matter your economic status. It doesn't matter your educational qualification. Doesn't matter your religion. Doesn't matter your size. Doesn't matter whether you come from a civilized society or an uncivilized society, whether you are a particular language-speaking individual, Punjabi, Malayali. It doesn't matter whether you are a man or a woman, adult or a child, old or young, able or disabled, clean or dirty, healthy or unhealthy, fit or unfit, violent or calm, right or wrong. It doesn't matter. All of us have been gifted by the universe. हम सबको इस विश्व ने 3 चीजें प्रदान की हैं. एक है वो शरीर, वी हैव अ बॉडी, दूसरी चीज है मन, वी हैव अ माइंड, और तीसरी चीज है सबसे पावरफुल चीज, एनर्जी, प्राण शक्ति। और दुनिया के किसी भी कोने में कोई भी इंसान हो, वो ह्यूमन बीइंग कहलाता है। जैसे आप हैं और मैं हूं, हर इंसान सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक ह्यूमन बीइंग रहता है, एक इंसान रहता है। बाकी सब जो डिफरेंसेस हैं, ऑल द अदर डिफरेंसेस आर क्रिएटेड बाय मैन। वो डिफरेंसेस कोई मायने नहीं रखते हैं। इट डजंट मैटर विथ व्हाट विजन यू आर लुकिंग एट ए ह्यूमन बीइंग। अब ये ताओ पोर्चोन लिंच की सीक्रेट क्या थी? लॉन्ग एंड हैप्पी लाइफ। गुड हेल्थ वॉज बिकॉज ऑफ योगा एंड ब्रेथ। आप YouTube पे जाएंगे और ताओ पोर्चोन लिंच टाइप करेंगे तो आपको उनके बहुत सारे वीडियोस मिलेंगे। उसमें वो कहती हैं कि उनके सुदृढ़ रहने का राज, द सीक्रेट ऑफ हर हैप्पी एंड लॉन्ग लाइफ वॉज ब्रीदिंग। और मैंने आपके लिए एक YouTube की लिंक वहां दी है। दूसरा राज है कि जिंदगी में मकसद होना चाहिए। यू नेवर रिटायर इन लाइफ। पीपल हु रिटायर इन लाइफ टायर आउट इन लाइफ। Retirement is the beginning of tiring out and wearing out and degrading, degenerating, and then extinguishing. Never plan for retirement. Always plan for activity. Always have a purpose. The purpose need not be connected to earning. हर चीज में कमाई होनी चाहिए ऐसा कोई नियम नहीं है। जिस चीज में आपको खुशी मिलती है, anything that makes you happy in life, keep doing it. She taught yoga at the age of 100. The other aspect of her happiness was she had no or minimum negativity, which average human beings hold on to. We hold on to fear, we hold on to anger, we hold on to hatred, we hold on to guilt, we hold on to greed, we hold on to jealousy. और उसमें एज, जोग्राफिक लोकेशन, एजुकेशन, इसका कोई मतलब नहीं रहता है। All human beings have held on to their negativity in the mind. शारीरिक रूप से जब आप बीमार होते हैं, when you fall ill physically, you have the option of going to a doctor, getting a prescription, going to the chemist, buying the medicines and treating yourself to get rid of your physical diseases. But mental diseases we never manage to identify. Fear is a disease, anger is a disease, hatred is a disease, guilt is a disease, greed is a disease, jealousy is a disease, and there are several other negative manifestations of mental diseases. We never go to a doctor, we never buy medicines, we never heal ourselves of mental diseases. And that is why we suffer in life. If we were able to get rid of or minimize these mental diseases, life would be heavenly. So let's talk about breath and see how we breathe. So here is a small chart and I will quickly explain to you what this chart is about. Every human being has a total lung capacity of roughly 5.5 to 6 liters, which is 5,500 ml to 6,000 ml of air holding capacity in the lungs. But on an average adult, एक सर्वसाधारण इंसान 500 ml से ज्यादा सांस नहीं लेता। मान लो आपके पास 6 लीटर का कैन है और उसमें आप सिर्फ 500 लीटर शरबत या दूध लेके जा रहे हो, तो कितना सारा कैपेसिटी आप जाया कर रहे हो। So your lungs have a capacity of 6,000 ml, but you are breathing only 500 ml. So you are wasting your lungs. And if you are wasting your lungs, it shows in your life. How does it show in your life? As you grow in age, your lungs stop supporting your activities. आप बचपन के दिन याद करिए और अभी आप कैसे हो याद करिए। बचपन में आप भागदौड़ करते थे, थोड़ी सी सांस फूल जाती थी, लेकिन 5 मिनट में आप तैयार होते थे फिर से भागदौड़ करने के लिए। आज आप 5 मिनट भागदौड़ करेंगे तो 2 घंटा आराम करने की जरूरत है। योर लंग्स हैव स्टॉप्ड सपोर्टिंग। तो हाउ डू आई इंप्रूव माई ब्रीदिंग? वेरी सिंपल, जो चीज काम में नहीं आती वो खराब हो जाती है, तो काम में लाओ। आपने जो हिस्सा लंग्स का काम में नहीं लाया है, जो 5500 ml लंग्स आपने काम में नहीं लाए हैं, उनको काम में लाना शुरू करिए। कैसे? तो सिंपल सी ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइज कर सकते हैं। कैसे? बैठे बैठे कर सकते हैं। अभी मान लो आपने 500 ml के बजाय 550 ml सांस लेना शुरू कर दिया, 10% इंप्रूवमेंट हो गई। Instead of 500 ml, if you start breathing 550 ml from today, your lungs have improved by 10%. If your lungs have improved by 10%, your oxygen intake has improved by 10%, your blood purification has improved by 10%, the organs of your body have started getting purified by 10% more, and you start becoming healthier simply by breathing a little bit more. आप देखेंगे कि मेरा इनहेलेशन, सांस लेने की मेरी क्षमता 3100 ml है। 3100 is my ability to increase my inspiration, और मेरी सांस देने की क्षमता 1200 से मैं बढ़ा सकता हूं। मान लो इसमें मैंने 100 और 100 बढ़ा दिया, तो इफ आई इंक्रीज 100 ml ऑफ एक्सहेलेशन एंड 100 ml ऑफ इनहेलेशन, मैंने मेरे लंग की कैपेसिटी 40% से बढ़ा दी। ये छोटा सा काम करके मैंने 40% बढ़ा दी। इतना ही छोटा काम आपको करना है, और वो भी बैठे बैठे करना है। थोड़ा सा एक प्रैक्टिकल्स हम बाद में कर लेते हैं, पहले हम देखते हैं कि हमको क्या करना है। इससे क्या होगा? What will happen because of this small improvement in my breathing? I will inhale more oxygen and I will exhale more carbon dioxide. I will purify my blood. I will purify my lungs. I will purify my heart. I will purify my kidneys. I will purify my pancreas. I will purify my liver. I will purify my brain. I will purify every organ in my body by 40% more. So chances of me reducing my diseases increase by 40% simply by increasing my breathing. And if I reduce my diseases, I reduce my expenditure on medicines and doctors and hospitals. क्या ये इतना सरल और सिंपल है? जी हाँ, ये इतना सरल और सिंपल है। तो लोग क्यों नहीं करते? अब इसका आंसर मेरे पास होता तो मैं आपके सामने बैठता ही नहीं था ना आज। इसका आंसर मेरे पास नहीं है, लोग क्यों नहीं करते? तो ये एक कोर्स हम चलाते हैं जिसमें हम सांस कैसे लेना है, वो 8 अलग अलग प्रकार की श्वसन क्रिया आपको सिखाते हैं। वो बाद में मैं बात करता हूं, पहले हम देखते हैं क्या होता है। सो सिंपली इंक्रीज योर ब्रीदिंग एंड इंप्रूव योर हेल्थ एंड रिड्यूस योर मेडिसिन एंड सेव योर मनी। एंजॉय विद दैट मनी। लाइफ इज अबाउट एंजॉयमेंट। वो बचा के रखा है, हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन के लिए रखा है, मेडिक्लेम का इंश्योरेंस ले रखा है। ये टेंशन में जीने से अच्छा है मैंने वर्ल्ड टूर मार लिया। जब भी ये पैंडेमिक खुल जाएगा, माय फर्स्ट प्लान इज एक वर्ल्ड टूर मार दूं, घूम के आ जाऊं। ये है आपका ब्रीदिंग प्रोसेस। दिस इज योर ब्रीदिंग प्रोसेस। हियर इज अ पेयर ऑफ लंग्स एंड हियर इज योर हार्ट, टू ऑफ द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट हार्ड वर्किंग ऑर्गन्स इन योर बॉडी। कंटिन्यूअस काम करते रहते हैं। जब से आप पैदा हुए तब से आज तक ये दोनों चीजें हैं जो आपके शरीर में लगातार निरंतर काम करते रहती हैं। कैसे? ये ऊपर आप देखेंगे, बाहर से हवा अंदर आ रही है, उसको ओ लिखा है, मतलब ऑक्सीजन अंदर आ रहा है। ये ऑक्सीजन मैंने अंदर ले लिया। ये ऑक्सीजन जब मैं अंदर लेता हूं तो मैं जितनी सांस ले रहा हूं, मान लो 500 ml है तो उतना ऑक्सीजन कम है। अगर 600 ml है तो उतना ऑक्सीजन बढ़ गया। और जितना ऑक्सीजन बढ़ेगा, my blood purification, here is this blue dot is about the blood purification takes place that much more. उतना ज्यादा ऑक्सीजन मिलेगा, मेरा ब्लड ज्यादा लाल होगा, my blood will become redder, richer, more purified, और उतना कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, उतनी गंदगी मैं बाहर फेंकूंगा। तो मेरे शरीर का शुद्धिकरण मेरे हाथ में है, और मेरे शरीर का शुद्धिकरण, the more I purify my body, the healthier I become. It is a simple logic and it is all dependent on this oxygen carbon dioxide exchange during inhalation and exhalation. I simply need to improve my inhalation and exhalation. इसमें दूसरा एक नियम है. आपको अगर मैं कहूं, if I tell you कि take a deep breath and don't exhale, and take another deep breath, more oxygen, don't exhale. Take another deep breath, don't exhale. मुमकिन है क्या? Is it possible? It is not possible. Simply because unless I give out, I cannot take in. Giving is a law. देना एक नियम है और इस नियम को हम भूल गए हैं. We have forgotten how to give. Unless I empty my lungs, I will not be able to fill up my lungs. Unless I empty the bottles at home, I will not be able to fill up the bottles at home. Unless I empty my body of all the excretion, I will not be able to consume new food. So emptying out, giving out is a law of life. Give and take is a law of life. The more I give, the more I am ready to receive. The universe is ready to give me more because I am willing to give. You watch all the rich people. Knowingly, unknowingly, willingly, unwillingly, they are giving. They are employing people, they are giving salaries. They are paying for the licenses, they are paying taxes. They may not like doing it, but they are doing it. And because they are doing it, they get more and more money. You want love? Learn to give out love. You want peace? Learn to make atmosphere around you peaceful. You contribute to the peace in your society, you will live in a peaceful society. Not a society of anger and hatred and quarrels and battles and wars. You cannot take unless you learn to give. You cannot inhale unless you learn to exhale. Exhale well, inhale deep. Increase your oxygen, increase your purification. End of the session, I will give you a live demo of how to increase your inhalation and exhalation, how to improve your purification, how to improve your health. I will give you a quick demo on these things. Increase your prana shakti, increase your vitality. अब ये कोई science आपको सिखाता नहीं. Nowhere in science anyone will talk about prana shakti because science requires proof. And there is nobody who can give you proof of prana shakti. People can give you circumstantial evidence. मैं आपसे बात कर रहा हूं क्योंकि मेरे अंदर प्राण शक्ति है. मेरे प्राण निकल जाएंगे तो मैं एक मुर्दा लाश आपके सामने बिछाई जाऊंगी. और लोग क्या कहेंगे? लोग मुझे प्रवीण मानकर नहीं कहेंगे, लोग बोलेंगे बॉडी. द मिनट प्राण शक्ति एग्जिट्स माय बॉडी, आई एम नो लॉन्गर प्रवीण मानकर. आई एम अ बॉडी. अरे बॉडी को लेके चलो, बॉडी को कंधे पे उठाओ, बॉडी के ऊपर हार डालो, बॉडी को दफनाओ, बॉडी को जलाओ. I lose my identity the time I lose my prana shakti. So that prana shakti is a very important substance inside my body. Science has not yet discovered it and therefore people have question marks about prana shakti. But prana shakti is life force, and from where does this life force come into you? It comes into you through your breath. For that there is scientific proof. I can fast. I can stop eating food for one whole day from morning till next morning. My body temperature does not change. Even when I am fasting, my body temperature is accurate, 98.4 Fahrenheit. I can not drink water for the whole day. 24 hours I am without water. Nirjali upvas. I am not taking water for 24 hours. My body temperature does not change. 10 minutes I stop breathing, my body temperature starts dropping. Temperature is a parameter for energy. When my energy starts dissipating, going away, my body temperature starts dropping. And when I am dead, I am a cold body. So that is an indication that breath brings you prana shakti. So, besides increasing oxygen, you are also increasing your prana shakti. When you improve your prana shakti, you improve your immunity. When you improve your immunity, you don't fall ill so easily. Let there be coronavirus, let there be any other virus in the air. Your immunity will take greater care of you than any of the medicines discovered in the world so far. And I'm talking this with confidence as a qualified pharmacist. You will have noticed that many times doctors will also say to you that we can do only so much. Now it is in the hands of the Almighty. Which means the doctor says that this is the limit of my knowledge. The greatest of doctors will acknowledge that this is the limit of my knowledge. Beyond this, I cannot do anything further. Now only a miracle will save your relative or the Almighty if He so wishes. So please believe in this terminology, Prana Shakti. You can increase your Prana Shakti by increasing your breath. Here is a small experiment that I want to show you. Imagine this building in which I am living, and imagine this light on the top of my head. This building, imagine that it was built 50 years ago. So this electrical point above my head was installed 50 years ago. But is the bulb in this point the same as it was 50 years ago? No, the bulbs kept on conking off. ये बल्ब खराब होते गए और मैं नए नए बल्ब लगाता गया. तो जो पहला बल्ब था, the first bulb in this point lasted for 37 months. Then there was no bulb. The bulb got spoiled, so before I replaced it with another bulb, there was a gap. Then I bought a new bulb that lasted for 8 months. After that bulb got spoiled, there was again no light, no bulb. Then I put another new bulb that lasted for 94 months. Again that bulb got spoiled, no bulb, no light. Another bulb was fit that lasted for 66 months. And so on and so forth. Some bulbs lasted long, some bulbs lasted short, depending on the quality of the bulb, and the bulbs had to be discarded. A new bulb had to be purchased, and when it got spoiled, I had to throw it out. But if you look at the wire, the electricity was constantly present in that wire in this socket. The light was not there because the bulb was not there. But the electric energy continued to flow in that wire without the bulb. The light came when the bulb came. The light came when the bulb came. Without the bulb, there was no light, but electricity existed. Let me take you to life, the eternal journey, and there is no room for death. So here is something that I want to show you. So again, something which is timeless. That's why I've put infinity. Timeless. You don't know when it began. And again, on the other side also timeless. You don't know when it will end. So basically this line represents without beginning and without end. Now, here is this lady called Odegun, born in Africa. She lived for 37 years. She was born, she grew up, at the age of 37, she died. Here is Samad, born in Egypt and died at the age of 8. Here is John, born in Ireland, died at the age of 94. Here is Choi, born in Thailand, died at the age of 66. Here is Rita, born in Bhubaneswar, India, died at the age of 12. All look different. All were born in different countries. All had different education. All followed different cultures and religion. But the Prana Shakti inside them was the same. In one of the previous lives, Rita was Choi. Choi in her previous life was John. John in his previous life was Samad. Samad in his previous life was Evelyn. The bulb changed. The electricity is the same. The bulb was replaced. Electricity is the same. It is like you changing clothes from Monday to Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Every day you are wearing a different dress and your behavior is in tune with your dress. So suppose I am wearing a swimsuit, I will not go for a board meeting in a swimsuit. If I have to go for a board meeting, I will go in a proper suit, boot, tie, formal dress. If I am going for some sports outing, I will go in my sportswear. If I am going for marriage, I will go in my wedding attire or my ethnic attire. So as is my look, so is my behavior. And in every different look, I look different, I behave different, but inside the clothes, I am the same person. Inside the clothes of Evelyn, the Prana Shakti is the same. Then Evelyn died. Then the Prana Shakti, the departed soul, acquired a new body in Egypt. Samad looked different, Samad spoke different language, and Samad behaved differently. Then Samad expired, but the soul carried forward, acquired a form of an Irish gentleman. John lived for 94 years in a different land, different climate, different language, different education, different behavior. Then John died and the soul continued the journey, acquired a different shirt, trousers, different look, different behavior in Thailand. And then the soul continued the journey and acquired a different form and a different behavior. Which means if you are looking at the structure, at the form, then you are looking at the body and the mind. And if you are looking at the body and the mind, then there is birth and there is death. But if you switch your look from down below and you are looking at the Prana Shakti, then there is life, Prana Shakti, no birth, no death. Life is as continuous as the electricity in this point in my building. The bulbs came, the bulbs went. The body came, the body went. Life continued. Most of us human beings, either we don't believe in the cycle of birth, death and rebirth. Some people don't believe in rebirth. And therefore we don't understand why life is like this. We don't understand why a particular child was born with lot of deficiencies, either physically handicapped or in utter poverty or with bad surroundings, lack of resources. So why is that child, newborn child, punished? We have a question. Well, the reason is because of another law that exists in the universe, the law of reap as you sow, or cause and effect. Another subject, we'll probably talk about it some other time, not today. I want you to understand that there should be no fear of death because you came naked and you go naked. You didn't come with any property. You didn't come with any bank balance. You created your property. You created your bank balance. What are you crying about? You're going to leave it behind and you're going to acquire new properties, new bank balances in future. It's an endless cycle till you achieve nirvana or moksha. So you gain nothing, you lose nothing. Life goes on. So if life goes on, why should I spend my life with a sorry face, with tears in my eyes? Life is a celebration. I need to rejoice that life is going on. My body may exist, my body may go. My property may exist, my property may go. I'll acquire a new body, I'll acquire new properties. So where is the loss? I don't lose anything. Why do human beings fear? They fear because of loss. I will lose something. That is always a fear. I will lose my money. I will lose my relatives. I will lose my property. I will lose my opportunity. There is always a fear of loss. And we are constantly living in fear. Corona is there. I will lose my life. There is a danger to my life. If this life is gone, all the things that I have achieved so far will go down to dust. No. You will have another life. You will have another life form. You will have another opportunity. Opportunities are aplenty. We don't know how to use these opportunities. So, change your vision from the life form to life itself. The body and mind is a life form. The Prana Shakti inside you is life itself. Be gracious to that Prana Shakti. Acknowledge that Prana Shakti inside you, and then life is exhilarating. Death is a mental concept. Look at this picture. There is an ocean and there are waves in that ocean. If you look at the life form, then there is death. If you look at the waves, then the wave arrives and the wave dissipates. The wave is born and the wave dies. But there is no death for the ocean. The ocean is endless. Prana Shakti is endless. The body arrives, the body disappears. The Shakti inside the body has a infinity to infinity continuation. So death is a mental concept of the life form, and it has got nothing to do about life itself. Anything that is new is young. So here is another way of looking at things. People feel, oh, abhi main buddha ho gaya hu, goli kha ke jeeta hu. That kind of statement people start talking. But if you look at the truth of living, you never grow old. The food that you eat every day is new food. And food is the building block for your body. So if you are eating new food every day, how come your body becomes old? The water that you drink every day is new water. So if you are consuming new food and new water, the material, the building blocks of the body are new every day, then how come the cells of your body look old and feel old? So let's have a look at this logic. And I'm taking the logic from photography. So here, a little bit of biology. Every cell in your body divides into two daughter cells by a process called cell division. Proof of this is your nails grow, you cut them off, your nails grow again. Your hair grows, you cut your hair grows again. You donate blood, your blood gets replenished. Your skin follicles fall off. And a classic example is of a molting snake. You can actually see the whole body line of skin shed by the snake, and the snake acquires a new skin. You get a cut on your skin and you will see a blood clot formed, and later on the skin heals itself and you have another normal skin. So all this body building activity is going on continuously. You look at a newborn baby, within 9 months a whole human being is formed in the womb of the mother. So there is no death. Cells are constantly born, cells are new, and anything is new, anything that is new cannot be old. And yet my body looks old. So here we look at an example from photography. In the olden days, we used to have a negative film on which you capture the image and then you take a print on a photographic paper. Today, you can still take a print on a similar photosensitive paper, but today you use a software. So whether you are using a negative film or a software, whatever image you capture on the negative film or the software is the same image that will be printed on the photosensitive paper. All that you need is a source of light to produce that print. So if you take this example to life, then the source of light is the Prana Shakti inside you. The print is your body. Now your body is looking old and feeling old. But biologically we have seen that the cells in the body are new and young. Energy cannot have any age. Energy is continuous. It is constantly flowing. It has no beginning, no end. So there is no old age in Prana Shakti. There is no old age in body. And yet my body starts looking old. Why? Because in my mind, I am holding the concept of old age. I have been taught by society, एक दिन बेटा तू बुढ़ा होने वाला है, एक दिन बेटा तू मरने वाला है. And these concepts are so firmly rooted in my mind that I refuse to take any other concept. I am seeing death every day on the street. I am seeing old people tottering around every day on the street. So old age is होना ही है. It is fit in our brains. And therefore, my body prints the image that is captured in the negative film of my mind. I change my mind, I can change my appearance. The proof of this, read the book, The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari, written by Robin Sharma. And exactly this mechanism is explained in that book, The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari, by Robin Sharma. Now, the second instrument that you have is the mind. And your mind is terribly messed up by the people around you. It is what your society teaches you that is embedded in your mind. If you are fortunate, you have good people around you who cultivate you with proper values of life. And if you are an unfortunate individual, you will have people who will cultivate negative values. But that is true only up to a certain age. Once you become an adult, you have your own thinking power. So you have the capability of erasing the nonsense that the society may have taught you. It's up to you. And then how to deal with the mind? Many a times you will see that the mind causes all the chaos. I am constantly stressed. From morning till night, before I go to sleep, I am under stress. And even while sleeping, I need assistance of sleeping pills, tranquilizers, before I can actually go to sleep. There is a constant flow of thoughts going on in my mind. And I don't know how to keep my mind quiet. So if I am continuously under stress, then the body knows only one mechanism. It is built in by the universe in my system. And it is there in my adrenal cortex, which releases a hormone called adrenaline. So when my mind is constantly under stress, I am releasing adrenaline. Adrenaline is causing my heart to pump faster. My heart is now beating at a rate more than normal. When I am making my heart overwork due to mental stress, one day my heart is going to go on hartal and say, Murdabad, that is the day of my heart attack. Heart attack caused by overthinking and stress. Simply by making my heart overwork under the influence of adrenaline released in response to stress. So how can I prevent heart disease? By calming down my mind. How can I calm down my mind? By practicing meditation. What is meditation? Meditation is focused concentration to vacate the mind. It is a concentrated effort to vacate the mind. Is it simple? No, nothing is simple. Try to build a muscle of your right hand and left hand. Try to build the biceps. It's not simple. You need to go to the gym 6 months regularly and work out strenuously before the muscles of your biceps will develop. So if you think everything is easy, no, nothing is easy. It requires hard work. And that's where the problem is, that we are not willing to put in the hard work to change ourselves. So on the one side, simply by breathing, you will improve your health by blood purification and increasing immunity through Prana Shakti. And simply by meditating, you will improve the status of your mind and you will have peace of mind, less stress, and therefore less diseases. I only described one disease to you, heart disease. But the body chemistry is affected by different emotions. If you get angry, certain hormones are released in your body. If you are jealous, certain other juices are released in your body. If you are greedy, something else happens in your body chemistry. When your body chemistry is imbalanced, it manifests in the form of disease. It could be diabetes, it could be arthritis, it could be skin rashes, it could be any of the severe conditions that many people face without realizing that they have invited the disease in their life through wrong thinking. So you have two simple methods to heal yourself. One is breathing and two is meditation. And for the human being, we have systems, organs, cells, and atoms, and at the end of the atoms you have protons and electrons. So if you study the physical human being, you will see that you are built up of atomic energy, you are made up of protons and electrons. So if you have such a powerful inbuilt base of nuclear energy, and nuclear energy is used for healing diseases like cancer because you are given radiotherapy, then why can't you use the existing nuclear energy inside you, which is built in by the universe? Simply because nobody taught you how to do this. And then when you look at the mind, the conscious mind has been under the influence of the society. If the society teaches you nonsense, then you will apply nonsense in your life and then you will suffer. Your subconscious mind is deep hidden. You have never bothered to look at the subconscious mind. So if you study your conscious and your subconscious mind, you will be able to get rid of most of the ailments in your life. Physical ailments, diseases, and conditions. Why do you have quarrels with your neighbors? Why do you have quarrels with your bosses? Why do you have problems with the shopkeepers or lawyers or any of the associates? Because your mind doesn't know how to go about the business. You have never trained your mind to go about the business. And therefore, there is a constant conflict amongst human beings. You attend any AGM of a society and you will see 25 families cannot get along harmoniously with each other. They are at loggerheads. And to assist you to improve your body and mind, you have a perennial source of prana shakti inside you. Unfortunately, no school, no university, no college teaches you how to tap into that energy and utilize it for your benefit. What is the proof of this? There is a famous story of Jesus Christ touching a leprosy patient and the leprosy vanished. Jesus was not a qualified medical practitioner. He had never gone to a medical college. But simply through the fingertips, by utilizing his control over the prana energy, he could heal a leper. And Jesus looked exactly like you and me. One nose, two eyes, 2 ears, 2 hands, 2 legs. Structure is same. What was different was his level of consciousness. His mind was different, and therefore he could tap into his inner resources and he could heal people. You and I can heal ourselves by going through the same mechanism. Harmonize your body and mind and harmonize with the exterior world. There is no age. You saw right at the beginning of this presentation. Age is just a number planted in my head by the society. That अभी तो बुढ़ा हो गया तो क्या, मैं अभी भी डांस कर सकता हूँ, मैं अभी भी योगा कर सकता हूँ, मैं अभी भी कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ. I never retire. Disharmony is equal to disease. जब कोई भी पीड़ा होती है, that means there is disharmony in your physical body. There is disharmony between body and mind. There is disharmony between you and somebody else. And then there is disease in the society. There is disease in the world. Because of too much of disharmony all over the place, you get these pandemics. The universe recognizes disharmony and teaches you a lesson by giving you an uncomfortable situation, which is a disease. Law of living, live in joy. And here are 3 pictures, autumn, winter and spring. Do you want to live like the autumn? All the leaves are shedding. Do you like to live like winter? A white chadar, मौत की चादर? Or do you want to live like spring? हरी भरी वसुंधरा पे नीला नीला ये गगन. Colorful flowers, new babies born, fun and frolic, chirping of the birds, perfume in the air, everything pleasant. Your life can be autumn, your life can be winter, your life can be spring. Depends on your mind. And why we don't have joy is because we have forgotten to be grateful. In an interview, when a candidate is refused a job, he walks out sad and he will criticize the panelists. But the same candidate, if he is selected, he leaps in joy and he even falls at the feet of the interviewers saying, "Thank you, sir, thank you, sir, thank you, sir." There is joy and there is gratitude together. If we practice joy, we will experience gratitude. If we practice gratitude, we will experience joy. 2 of the most important ingredients in life, joy and gratitude, are missing, and therefore our society is losing respect. Joy, gratitude and reverence is a triangle which cannot be broken. Wherever there is joy and gratitude, there is respect in the society. Wherever there is absence of joy and gratitude, there is disrespect in the society. And you will see that in the family. The child doesn't respect his parents because he doesn't experience joy in the presence of his parents. He doesn't feel like expressing gratitude for what his parents are doing for him. And therefore, there is no respect in that family. What is true in the family is true in the society, is true in the nations, is true in the world. The most important triangle in your life, practice joy and gratitude and see the difference that it makes in your life. And then, the game that we played as children. One is Hari Bhai and the other is Dilip Bhai. Hari Bhai is at the top, Dilip Bhai is at the bottom. And Hari Bhai has a habit of always staying at the top and he doesn't allow Dilip Bhai to come on top. Dilip Bhai gets frustrated and he walks away. The minute Dilip Bhai walks away, Hari Bhai crashes down. Now Dilip Bhai is the divinity and Hari Bhai is your human enterprise, body and mind. If you are constantly going to pamper your body and mind and ignore the Prana Shakti inside you, one day the Prana Shakti is going to leave your body and you will come crashing down. That is the day of your death. So while you are alive, pay attention to the Prana Shakti inside. Pay attention to the divinity inside you. Celebrate the divinity when you can. Instead of saying, oh, my life is gone, I am now finished, there is nothing to look forward to. Look forward to the energy inside you. Past, there's no point in shedding tears about the past. You cannot go back to the past and change it. Future, you don't know what the future has in store for you. It's only the present that is available to you now. Celebrate the now. Stop mourning. Stop having a long face. Stop moping. Enjoy every moment. Enjoy every breath. Every breath is your life. Eckhart Tolle is a great writer. He has written the book The Power of Now. And 3 of his quotes I am quoting here. Most humans are never fully present in the now because unconsciously they believe that the next moment must be more important than this one. But then you miss your whole life, which is never, not now. People don't realize that now is all there ever is. There is no past or future except as memory or anticipation. Boredom, anger, sadness or fear are not yours, not personal. They are conditions of the human mind. They come and go. Nothing that comes and goes is you. You are perennial. You will never come and go. So, we at Pratibimb teach a course called Life and Breath. It is a 20-session course of 1.5 hours each. A new batch begins tomorrow, 4th of October. And if you are interested, you can attend the free introductory session tomorrow at 7 on Google Meet. The link has been given, or you can take the numbers of the people given there if you want to know more about this subject. Quickly, I want to take you through the process of breathing. So I will do a small demo of how to breathe. So you just sit straight wherever you are, or you even lie down on your bed. Take a deep breath and mentally count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You hold your breath, mentally count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You exhale, mentally count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I will show you. Simply by doing this, wherever you are, I'm not asking you to take any asanas. I'm not asking you to twist your body into different shapes. Sit straight or lie down straight. Inhale, hold your breath, exhale. You will simply increase your lung capacity by doing this simple exercise. You start with a count of 10 and go on slowly increasing to 11, 12, 13, 14. You yourself will be able to feel that yes, your body is now becoming stronger and more powerful as your counts go on increasing. So this is one method of improving your body condition. Inhale, hold the breath, exhale. Second method is for the mind. Same method, I inhale. I can inhale sitting down, like I am sitting back head straight, or I can lie down flat on the bed in a perfectly straight position, close my eyes, inhale. And I can exhale and I can chant any word that I feel nice about. It can be Om, it can be Shanti, it can be peace, it can be any other word that you're fond of. So here, let me show you a demo. So whenever I'm speaking, I'm exhaling. So again, I inhale. I'm not asking you to go to the Himalayas. I'm not asking you to trouble your body. I'm not asking you to give up the comforts of your home. Sit in your own home. Be comfortable. Just do inhalation, retention, exhalation for your body, breathing exercises. Just do chanting of one particular word for as long as you can. If you can do it for 20 minutes, wonderful. If you can do it for 30 minutes, lovely. If you can do it for 45 minutes, excellent. Go on increasing your counts in the breath. Go on increasing the time of your chanting, and you're done. So if you have any questions, I will take your questions. Anuradha, if the time is up, you can take over. Or the
So, sir, very interesting session, very well explained of prana shakti, और काफी पॉजिटिव कमेंट्स आए हैं कि we need to go back and listen to this YouTube video again and again. Every time we will learn something new. Thank you, sir. Just you simply awesome and simplified everything, and आपने बहुत अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन किया. सबके बार बार मैसेजेस आ रहे हैं कि वेरी वेल सेड, वेरी ट्रू, वेरी इंफॉर्मेटिव एंड इंटरेस्टिंग. तो थैंक यू सर, बहुत इंफॉर्मेटिव सेशन था. एंड एज यू सेड राइटली दैट एज इज ओनली नंबर, और वेरी वेल एक्सप्लेन प्राण शक्ति का कंसेप्ट. So you have given us the new way of looking life, and that it is simply आपने इतने अच्छे से सिंपल वे में समझाया कि ऐसे पता ही नहीं चला कि ये मतलब लेक्चर है क्या है. मतलब हम लोग उसमें खो गए थे लिटरली.
Life is simple, Dipti. We make it complicated.
या ट्रू, वेरी ट्रू. सो आई होप क्या ये सुनने के बाद हमारे जो भी व्यूअर्स है वो अपने लाइफ में चेंज लाए, छोटे 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 चेंज लाएंगे, लाइफ को सेलिब्रेट करेंगे, ग्रेटिट्यूड लाइफ में लाएंगे, सब चीजें थोड़ी थोड़ी एड ऑन करेंगे और लाइफ को और सिंप्लीफाई बना के लाइफ को अच्छे से हैप्पीली जिएंगे.
जी, थैंक यू फॉर इनवाइटिंग मी. इट वाज अ प्लेजर टू बी विद यू.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much,
My
sir.
pleasure.
Yeah, thanks.
Thank you. Bye, folks. Stay safe.
Bye,
stay blessed.
sir. तो आपने देखा मिस्टर प्रवीण जी ने इतने अच्छे से, इतने सिंपल वे में हमको कैसे लाइफ जीना है, लाइफ बिगिंस नाउ, ये समझाया. मैं आशा करती हूँ कि आपने ये सेशन से बहुत कुछ टिप्स देखे हैं और वो अपने लाइफ में यूटिलाइज करेंगे और अपनी लाइफ को पास्ट को छोड़ेंगे, फ्यूचर की चिंता छोड़ेंगे, और जो प्रेजेंट है वो प्रेजेंट मोमेंट में आप हैप्पी रहेंगे और अपनी लाइफ को और ज्यादा खुशी से जिएंगे और अपने मतलब लाइफ को बढ़ाएंगे. तो बहुत इंफॉर्मेटिव सेशन से मैं दूसरे सेशन की ओर जा रही हूँ, जो मैं आपको इंट्रोड्यूस करना चाहती हूँ एक डैशिंग पर्सनालिटी से. तो उनका नाम है चिराग जेठवानी. हेलो चिराग. Good evening. How are you?
I'm very well. Thank you so much for having me come and perform for everybody. I am excited कि मैं किसी को भी देख नहीं सकता हूँ इस वक्त, लेकिन मुझे यकीन है कि आप लोग मुझे देख सकते हो और I'm excited to perform.
अरे आप पूछो मत, आप चालू करोगे और यहाँ पे कमेंट्स के ऊपर कमेंट्स आते रहेंगे. Already they are waiting for you. So, friends, I want to give a small brief about the Chirag. He is an illusionist and a mentalist who's been performing for the past 10 years. He has performed in 4 countries and for some of the top companies and celebs in Mumbai. He also represents India at FISM, the equivalent to the Olympics of magic. In addition to that, he had some of the best magic in store for all of us, and just be ready. एंड आप लोग को सिर्फ एक चीज करना पड़ेगा कि आप लोग को इंटरएक्टिव सेशन है ये, तो आप लोग को इंटरएक्ट करना पड़ेगा थ्रू चैट्स जो साइड में हमको दिखाई दे रहे हैं. चिराग कुछ पूछेंगे, मैं चैट्स पढ़ूंगी और चिराग को मैं बोलूंगी कि ये चीज है. सो प्लीज बी इंटरएक्टिव विथ चिराग. ओके, ओवर टू यू चिराग.
यस, तो जैसे कि दीप्ति ने कहा कि ये आपको पूछेगी क्वेश्चंस और आपको उन्हें जवाब देना पड़ेगा. तो मैं जो है आपको काफी सारे क्वेश्चंस शूट आउट करूंगा, आप करेंगे और दीप्ति बेसिकली आपकी वॉइस बनेगी और आपके बिहाफ पे मुझे जवाब देगी ताकि मुझे मालूम पड़े कि आपने क्या कहा है। ये बहुत ही इंटरैक्टिव सेशन होने वाला है। आई रियली होप ऑल ऑफ यू गेट टू टेक पार्ट एंड एट द एंड ऑफ इट I have a surprise for you. The surprise is something I am wearing right now. I'm not telling you कि ये क्या है, but मैं आपको इतना बता दूं कि ये एक पेपर क्लिप है जिस पर मैंने ये बांधा हुआ है नेक टैग, और उसके अंदर एक पेपर है जो कि यहाँ पर रहेगा बिल्कुल आपके करीब, जिधर मैं हूँ वहां पे ये रहेगा. And we're going to begin our show by showing you something visual, something for your eyes. So if you can see this, can you see this?
Yes.
दीप्ति?
Yes, yes, I can. कुछ भी नहीं है.
कुछ भी नहीं है. मुझे पता नहीं
हाँ.
आपको क्या दिख रहा है, लेकिन कुछ भी नहीं है यहाँ पे बिल्कुल.
नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं है. No, no, no.
We'll take this, a little bit of nothing watch from here.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Very, like I said, ये बहुत visual होने वाला है ये show. This is the first one, as you can see. Here's the second one.
Oh shit! Very excited.
And ये दो है यहाँ पर, आपको दिख रहे हैं ये दो, करेक्ट?
Yes, yes.
तो तीसरा जो है वो यहाँ पे आएगा, बिल्कुल यहाँ पर. अरे
ऐसे मैजिक करके हमको डॉलर्स दे दो.
ये बिल्कुल डॉलर्स ही है. मैं डॉलर्स ही लाया हूँ आपको. These are American dollars, but here's the thing. These do not exist right now. ये बिल्कुल imagination है, ये काल्पनिक है. तो हम क्या करेंगे, एक को उठाएंगे ऐसे बिल्कुल, so you can see this. Just give it a shake. And that's the first one. We just have two. Here's the second one. Watch the second one. All we do is we take the second one as well.
Oh.
That's the second one. And for this last one, I will pull my sleeves back so you can see it's not going up my sleeves. But here's the last one. Here's the last one. We're going to take it, place it in the hands.
Superb. Superb. Quite and surprising बोल रहे हैं members. Amazing. Yeah. Surprising. Yeah, quite surprising. डॉलर्स आ रहे थे तभी बहुत अच्छा लगा, डॉलर्स गए तो भी थोड़ा दुख हुआ कि डॉलर्स जा रहे हैं.
थोड़ा दुख हुआ. तो फिर मैं अभी आप लोगों को फिर से थोड़ा सा खुश करने के लिए ट्राई करूंगा, क्योंकि मैं अभी रुपीस में करते कुछ, क्योंकि because we have about how much money is this?
10 rupees. 10 rupees.
सबको दिख रहा है. और ऑल्दो मैंने कहा कि आप लोग मुझे देख ना सके, लेकिन आप कमेंट करते रहिए जरूर. मैं ये पढ़ पाऊंगा, हम लोग दीप्ति पढ़ पाएगी, उस हिसाब से हमको मालूम पड़ेगा कि आपको वाकई में मजा आ रहा है या सिर्फ आप सह रहे हो इसको. So we'll take the 10 of hearts, the 10 rupees. 10 of hearts यहाँ पे कार्ड है. This is going to come back to that later. But watch the money, okay? How much money is it now? Still 10? Still 10.
Yeah,
watch.
10 rupees. 10.
Still rupees.
Still 10 rupees. Still 10 rupees. Yeah. Yes.
Okay. So what we're going to do right now is we'll take the 10. We just squeeze it like that. You know what happens when you hold it right up to the right light, just like that? Nothing fell, right? Nothing कुछ गिरा नहीं यहाँ से.
नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं गिरा.
Yes. Look at this.
Oh, now it's like.
You're not going to believe this, but.
Yeah. I'm not going to believing. Oh my goodness, 500 rupees.
500
Oh my goodness. बहुत बढ़िया. सब जन बोल रहे हैं amazing talent, good vibes, enjoying.
Great, I'm so glad. और अभी आपको अच्छा लग रहा है तो I'm gonna let's do some question and answer fun with you guys. I have a matchbox over here. मेरे पास यहाँ पर एक माचिस का डिब्बा है. एंड ताकि सब लोग देख सके उसको, मैं उसको बिल्कुल यहाँ पे रखूंगा ताकि ये आपके नजरों के एकदम सामने रहे. ओके. अभी दीप्ति आप मेरी वॉइस बनेगी, मैं इनको क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा और आप सभी लोग चैट में अपना जवाब दे देंगे. ओके. सो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू इज वी आर गोइंग टू बर्न, हम जलाएंगे एक पूरे ताश के गड्डी को. वी आर गोइंग टू बर्न अ डेक ऑफ कार्ड्स, राइट? ओके. सो जस्ट अ डेक ऑफ कार्ड्स लाइक दिस, वी विल बर्न ऑल द कार्ड्स. नाउ the first question I have for everybody is, are we going to burn the numbers or are we going to burn the pictures? Now you comment either numbers or pictures in the comments and Dipti will tell me what we are going to burn. Dipti, आप देख रहे हो उसको?
या मैं देख रही हूँ. जब तक मुझे कमेंट्स आ रहे हैं तब तक मैं आपको पहले के कमेंट्स बोल रही हूँ कि we don't mind 1000 rupees note also. And then You
मैं वो
got
सीख रहा हूँ, अभी सीखा नहीं है मैंने वो 1000 वाला, बट सीख के एकदम मैं सिखा
या वर्चुअल हग दे रहे हैं आपको हमारे मेंबर्स, हमारे सीनियर सिटीजन्स,
आपको आपको डबल हग।
and yeah, they are telling numbers.
Numbers. So we've burned the numbers. Numbers हमने जला दिए. Aces, twos, threes, fours, five, six, seven सब गए. अब हमारे पास सिर्फ पिक्चर्स है, सिर्फ फोटोज है. फोटोज में दो तरह के फोटोज होते हैं, मेन होते हैं, मर्द, और औरतें होती है. तो जैक्स और किंग्स वो मेन होते हैं, औरतें क्वींस होती है. ये सबसे वाहियात सवाल है, लेकिन आप मर्दों को जलाना चाहते हो या औरतों को जलाना?
Hello members,
just
to
comment
whom you
men
want to burn?
or women. And we'll pick the second comment, okay, Dipti, the second comment.
Yes, yes. आपको
Okay.
किसको जलाना है?
The
वुमेन
men
को,
or the women? ये
वुमेन
बिल्कुल
और
सीरियस
मेन?
क्वेश्चन नहीं है, ये सीरियस क्वेश्चन नहीं है. मैं फेमिनिस्ट हूँ, मैं ऐसे नहीं है, लेकिन मैं ये बस फन के लिए है कि हम कितने लोगों को एक्साइट कर सके इस जो हो रहा है उसमें. So
Chirag, I am giving you the answer. वो जो है 5. I am not taking the second one, but I am taking the 5th one, and they all are telling that men.
they want to burn the men.
Men, yeah.
अब हम क्या करें? So we just have 4 cards left now, right? The Queen of Clubs, the Queen of Hearts, the Queen of Spades, and the Queen of Diamonds. Now, before we do anything, I want you to comment which queen we are going to save. We are going to reach into the fire and save only one queen. Which queen will we save? And before Dipti, before you tell me, I'm going to show you inside this matchbox. We have one playing card. Can you see this?
Yeah.
It's actually been paper clipped. It's actually burnt by the flames. If you can see this.
Yeah.
Card.
Yes. Yes.
So Dipti, what card has everybody decided to save? What is that card?
I'm taking third comment, diamond.
Diamonds, you said, right? Now
Yeah.
you could have said anyone. You said the Queen of Diamonds. We'll just take this clip off. So you could have saved anybody. आप सभी लोगों ने पहले नंबर जलाए. नंबर नहीं जलाते तो ये नंबर कार्ड होता कि पिक्चर जल चुके होते. फिर आपने मर्दों को जलाया, बहुत अच्छा किया. और फिर हमने क्वीन को बचाया. Queen of, not just any queen, the Queen of Diamonds.
Diamond.
I want you to see this. This is unbelievable.
Oh my God! It is really unbelievable, Chirag.
Queen of.
Oh my God! Oh my
Diamonds.
God!
The
Queen
card
of
we
Diamonds.
right now. I think
Oh
that's
my
amazing.
God! Yeah, it's like unbelievable.
Yes. And
see everybody. Oh, क्या सबके comments आ रहे हैं. Oh my God!
Thank you. That's very kind. अब मैं हम थोड़ा सीरियस होने वाले हैं, और हम सीरियस इसलिए होंगे क्योंकि मैं बहुत पर्सनल सवाल करूंगा. आप में से एक का, जो आप देख रहे हो इस वक्त, आप में से एक का माइंड हम 200% पढ़ पाएंगे, और आपको महसूस भी होगा कि आपके दिमाग के अंदर कोई आ रहा है और कोई कुछ खींच रहा है. वैसे मैं मस्ती कर रहा हूँ, मैं एग्जैक्टली थॉट्स कोई पढ़ नहीं सकता है आपके. ये जो कोई भी आपको बोले आपको झूठ बोल रहा है. मैं जो अपने 5 सेंसेस है, साइट, साउंड, स्मेल, टच, टेस्ट, ये सब मिला करके एक 6 सेंस क्रिएट करते हैं हम, जिससे हम लोगों को जो है, वी कैन एंटरटेन पीपल एंड वी कैन रियली एक्साइट पीपल, और उनका मनोरंजन कर सके. सो आई हैव विथ मी a blank post-it note, as you can see. I'm going to write something in pencil over here, and I'm going to come back to this later. But before we begin, I want to tell you, I'm going to ask all of you to think of your ATM pin. Now, because it'll be extremely wrong and silly and unethical of me to ask you your actual pin, मैं चाहता हूं कि आप एक मनगढ़ंत पिन के बारे में सोचे. So just make one up right now. Okay? All of you, जो भी देख रहा है इसको, और दीप्ति, मैं चाहता हूं कि अभी ये कमेटी में से सब एक दूसरे को जानते हैं. I'm guessing.
Many of them, yeah.
Okay. So if you want me to read your ATM pin, I want you to just say me, and Dipti will pick one of you. Only one of you, just by the name. Because, और अगर आप ये कर रहे हो, तो मुझे आपसे रेगुलरली बात करनी रहनी पड़ेगी, तो आपको अपने कीबोर्ड पे रहना पड़ेगा. Okay? So just say I would like to take part, and Dipti will do the needful. She'll tell me the name.
One of our member is continuously typing Nitya Dikshit. नित्या दीक्षित आप कंटिन्यू हमको दे पाओगे राइट आंसर? she will.
So Nitya Dikshit it is. Okay, Nitya.
Yeah.
I don't know where you are right now. मुझे पता नहीं है आप कौन हो, मुझे पता नहीं आप कैसे दिखते हो, मुझे पता है, ये पता है कि आप औरत हो, और मुझे ये भी पता है कि आप, क्योंकि लोगों ने आपका नाम लिया है और क्योंकि आपने वॉलंटियर किया कि आप स्पोर्टिंग हो और आपको नई चीजें एक्सपेरिमेंट करनी शायद बुरा नहीं लगता है आपको, you like to look forward to it. So I'll tell you what I've done. I've written 4 numbers over here. Okay, I'm going to come back to this later. Nitya, for the first time, I want you to change your PIN number, 4-digit PIN number. I want you to change it right now. Create a new PIN in your mind. You have a new PIN? Just say yes or no.
Yeah, I'm waiting. वो US में है, so she is chatting from US.
Okay.
Yeah, she has told yes. Yeah,
she has a PIN. So for the first time, please type your PIN so Divya can read it right. Because I can't see you right now, I'm going to have to work with Divya. So please type your PIN so Divya can see your PIN.
Nitya.
Sorry. Dipti can see you. Please type your PIN so Dipti can see you.
So she has typed new PIN.
For the first time, Dipti. For the first, I've already written it down, so I'm already committed right now. For the first time, please tell us what's the PIN that she's written down.
Okay, so she has written 1954.
1954. Is there any way I would know this before we began?
No.
This happened right now, right?
Yeah, just right now. Right, yes,
right
yes.
Now.
Yes.
No way I would know this.
No.
What if I told you I knew this beforehand? Would you agree or no?
No.
No, you wouldn't agree? I wrote this down a while back. You can actually read this right now.
Oh wow, 1954. Chirag has written 1954 already before he knew anything. Nitya ji, कैसा लगा आपको? It's unbelievable.
1954 Nitya. If that was your actual PIN, तो आपको change करना पड़ेगा. Sorry for the untidy handwriting, लेकिन इसलिए मैं हाँ तो.
So yes, Nitya जी, चिराग is telling कि अगर आपने ये आपका real number है तो please आपको change करना पड़ेगा. But I know that it is not her real number because उसने already दूसरे number पहले beforehand दे डाला था. So it is not her real number. Thank you Nitya जी.
Thank you Nitya for helping. Before we go on, जिससे पहले कि मैं और कुछ करूं, मैं एक और गेम सबके साथ खेलने वाला हूं अभी.
मैं एक आपको थोड़ा बोल दूं कमेंट चिराग. Wow, they are writing like wow, oh my god, amazing, wow, wonderful. बहुत means बहुत comments आ रहे हैं continuously.
Thank you so much. Okay, so I would like more comments to come in. तो मैं आपको और थोड़ा we're going to do something fun for you. जिसके पहले मैं next trick करूं, I want all of you to right now, I'm going to keep this deck of cards over here ताकि मैं इनको हाथ नहीं लगा सकूं. आप में से सब लोग एक कार्ड के बारे में सोचो अपने माइंड में, और जो आपने सोचा है वो आप दीप्ति को कमेंट करेंगे, और दीप्ति मेरे को आप थर्ड कमेंट पढ़ के सुनाना, तीसरे वाला.
Right, yeah, waiting for the comments.
Think of a playing card for the first time. Just think of a playing card, everybody, and type it in the comments, like 2 of clubs, 7 of clubs, whatever.
I'm getting continuously comments, good vibes, real magical. Nah. Okay, so I will take okay, मैं बोलूं आपको?
जी.
A of spade.
Ace of spades, वो तो पहला कार्ड है, वो तो बहुत कॉमन कार्ड है. ये करने के लिए किसी की दिमाग पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है. So just ask them to think of another one. Ace of spades is a very famous card. तो सब जानते हैं Ace of spades क्या है.
So now I am giving you the answer of 4 of hearts.
Four of Hearts. Now that's, would you agree, Dipti? That's a random card, right? That's a very random.
It's a random card.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay. So I want you to see this. I'm going to go through this deck. Wherever the Four of Hearts is, I'm just going to see it if it's still there. It should be there. Yeah, the Four of Hearts is here, right? As you can see. I don't know if you can see this, but I'll just show it to you. Four of Hearts.
Yeah.
So हम ये करेंगे इस वक्त, okay? I want you to see this. Before we began, I in fact had a little friend of mine, क्योंकि ये last minute show था, तो मुझे पता था कि मैं अकेला तो कर नहीं पाऊंगा, ये मेरी हैसियत नहीं है ये करने की. So I got a friend of mine. Can you see this guy over here?
Yeah.
ये एक बिल्कुल छोटा सा क्यूट सा मैजिशियन है. ये दूसरा है, मतलब ये वही है. फिर ये हर कार्ड पे बनाया है मैंने इसको, क्योंकि मुझे पता है यही सब काम करेगा, मैं नहीं करूंगा इस वक्त. तो the thing is कि before we began, before you named the Four of Hearts, you know those coloring books, आप लोग जो सब देख रहे हो इस वक्त, हमारे पास बचपन में वो कलरिंग किताबें होती थी जिसमें हम जैसे पेजेस आगे करते जाए तो वो इंसान और चीजें he changes, right? वो शेप चेंज होता है, या तो वो कैटरपिलर बटरफ्लाई बन जाता है, तो it signifies change and growth.
Right. Yeah.
तो उसी तरह ये मैजिशियन भी आप सभी लोगों के लिए कुछ करने वाला है अभी.
Right.
मैं नहीं करूंगा, ये करेगा. Just making it clear. तो अभी जो भी क्रेडिट कमेंट्स अगर आपको अच्छा लगा तो इसको देना, क्योंकि ये बुरा मान जाएगा फिर हम नहीं पाएंगे. So आपने चुना Four of Hearts, correct? And you could have thought of any card. You said Ace of Spades, but then Ace of Spades is very common. So we'll do this. I'm going to let you see this, okay? You see this magician over here?
Yes, Chirag.
Okay, watch. He is going to go.
Oh, wow. It's amazing, Chirag.
Into his hat.
Oh, he removed the card.
He removed one card.
One card, yeah.
Right at the end.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's unbelievable, yeah.
Of Hearts, the card saved from the deck. You do this again, you can see it.
Superb, Chirag, superb. It's like amazing. Oh my gosh. Like unbelievable. Oh my God. Chirag,
thank you.
You are surprising us.
I did not do it this time. मैंने बोला था आपको, ये बुरा मान रहा है already.
आपके वो मैजिशियन को बोलना थैंक यू सो मच.
सुन रहे हैं? हाँ, सुन रहे हैं उसने. Thank you बोला वो भी. So yeah, whatever we saw up till now was a little bit of magic. It was a little bit of mind reading. I have something else to show you right now. This is क्योंकि अभी हम 2 सेकंड के लिए लोगों को बॉर्डर नहीं करेंगे. दीप्ति आप मेरे को हेल्प करोगे ये करने में?
ठीक है.
Okay, I have a set of cards over here. So I want you to, इसके पीछे कोई नहीं है. Okay, so मैं क्या करूँगा? I'll just ask you to say stop wherever you want. Okay, so I'll just go through this. Just say stop wherever you want.
Stop.
There, right there. Okay. Now I'm not going to do anything. I want you to just look at this card. Just look at this card.
Okay,
can you remember this card?
Yes.
The Three of Diamonds. आप सभी लोग भी देखे. इतनी खाली मेरी voice बनेगी अभी, और because we can do this quickly and I can show you more things. So the Three of Diamonds is the card you selected. Now I'm going to do this very slowly so you can see the Three of Diamonds right here. Yeah. You see it? All we'll do is, Diti, I just want you to help me out. Just say stop wherever you want.
Okay.
Just say stop.
Stop.
Here?
Yes.
Okay. Now what? Three of Diamonds. If I touch the card over here and if I rub it, you can actually see this.
Oh!
The card
the card is blank.
The card is completely gone right now, but it's gone from here. Watch. I want you to watch this carefully. Watch. But it's gone from here.
Okay. Oh, superb, Chirag. It's unbelievable. Oh my God. Oh my God, Chirag.
Watch the card. Watch the card. If you just stick it back, it kind of comes back.
Superb, Chirag.
Nothing.
I'm going mad.
Now I want you to watch this. Watch this, okay, Dipti? What we'll do is we'll take this playing card, the 3 of diamonds. I'm going to bring my camera down so you can see it over here. Now you can see it, right?
Yeah, I can.
All we'll do is we'll just take the 3 diamonds, and the funny thing is you can actually take it from here. इसको हम यहाँ पर डालेंगे बीच में. Put some cards on top, and I'm going to do this right over here so you can see it. Now watch the cards. Watch the cards.
Oh, wow.
One
Oh,
card
superb.
flies, and that is your 3
No comments, Chirag.
diamonds.
Seriously?
No comments? That's very bad. But so now watch the 3. Okay, I'm going to bring this up again so you can see it over here as well. Okay,
So
I'll put
now
you-
many
Watch.
comments. Okay.
Yes, wait.
Okay. Yeah.
Once we'll come to the comments, but I want you to see the 3 of diamonds. All I'm going to do right now is I'm going to take the 3. We put it inside the deck. I'm going to put the deck inside this glass, this wine glass over here. You can see the glass, right?
Yes.
Now, because aapne 3 chuna, Dipti, the rest of the cards don't matter to me. So I'm just going to take this handkerchief. Can you see this handkerchief over here?
Yep.
Glass down. See this handkerchief?
Yes.
Always will take the handkerchief.
Purely handkerchief. Yeah.
Yep. Watch the moment. Every single card in this deck is now
blank.
Become completely transparent.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Oh, it's transparent. Oh.
Every card is now gone completely transparent over here. Both the fronts and the backs.
Oh my god.
But somewhere around the middle of the deck, I want you to see this. Somewhere around the middle of the deck, there's one card that comes back.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. 3 of diamonds. That's amazing. Oh my goodness. It's like my mind is like, I don't know, I'm here, I'm where. That's amazing, Chirag. Chirag, you are great. Joy of giving second day all session. I'm enjoying Adata और magician वो कुछ अलग लैंग्वेज में लिखा है. चिराग, you are a real virtual magician. बाप रे, चिराग, आपको कमेंट्स पढ़ने चाहिए थे.
मैं आप पढ़ के सुना रहे हो, मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, सीरियसली.
One, seriously, everybody is surprised.
Yes. Now we're almost somewhere close to the end, but we're not going to end just yet. We're going to still do something a little more freaky and unbelievable. And for this, we're going to use just 1 spoon. So you can see this.
Yes.
Watch. All we do is we'll just hold it right here. And आपने देखे होंगे बहुत सारे magicians इसको ले करके ऐसे rub करते हैं and stuff like that. We're going to try this. We're going to do it like, how do we do this? Just like this. Watch the spoon. You see the spoon?
Yes.
Watch.
Oh my god. What's happening, Chirag? स्पून में लाइफ आ गई, खुद ब खुद मूव कर रहा है आपके आपके वाइब्रेशन से. Oh my god. It's unbelievable, Chirag. It's really unbelievable.
I want you to see this. This is over here. I want you to like clearly so you can see this. All of you can see this. This is actually
it's
bent.
bent. Yeah. It's bent.
And it's not because of my vibrations. It's because the energy. I mean, it's a trick, honestly. But I wouldn't think twice before saying the fact that our energy can really influence our surroundings and even people sometimes. Yes. Let's try our best to keep ourselves focused on our happiness, and that creates the best energy for the world. Now, before we do anything else, I'm going to take something. I'm not going to show you what this is. I'm going to put this inside my pocket over here. Okay. And now I'm going to bring something extremely colorful for all of you. A cube. रूबिक्स क्यूब।
Yeah.
और अगर आप इसको देखो दीप्ति, तो आपको एक चीज मालूम पड़ेगी, ये बेसिकली केओस है, पूरा मिक्स्ड है ना।
Yeah, it's
बिल्कुल
mixed.
ये
Yeah.
बिल्कुल ये सिचुएशन की तरह, ये कोरोना वायरस की तरह, क्योंकि हम ऑर्डर, वी आर यूज्ड टू सीइंग थिंग्स इन ऑर्डर, वी आर नॉट यूज्ड टू सीइंग थिंग्स लाइक दिस,
Right.
right? So I'm gonna try to show you this right now so you can see the cube, right? The first thing to do is to just wait and create a positive space within you that is not influenced by voices of people or लोग क्या कह रहे हैं कि ये अभी ये end है ये वो. So if you do that, you will see something start to happen. Can you see this? यहाँ पे थोड़ा दिख रहा है आपको solve होते हुए.
Right. Yeah,
If
yeah.
this
I see this.
works, और अगर आप और अपनी आवाज सुने और आप पॉजिटिविटी अपनी कल्टिवेट करें, तो आपको और भी दिखेगा कि और भी कुछ अच्छा
Wow.
सब चीजें. And before you know it, like a flash, things should start to look just
Oh, wow. Superb, Chirag. Superb.
now. I know ये जो यहाँ पर हो रहा था, but that doesn't take away with the situation, क्योंकि हम एक चीज भूल रहे हैं, क्योंकि जब भी ऐसा कुछ होता है तो we need to, as पूरे गवर्नमेंट ने हम लोग को बोला है, वरना अगर ये नहीं होता तो मैं आपके सामने परफॉर्म करता आप लोगों के, लेकिन हम ये वायरस में है तो हमें कहा गया है कि आप घर पे रहो और होपफुली ये ठीक हो जाएगा. तो बेसिकली मैं ये करके इसके घर में डालने वाला हूँ अभी. आपने देखा उस ट्यूब को मिक्स किया था हमने. Before we know it, hopefully things will look a little different, just like this.
Right.
Now
Super.
I know what you all are thinking कि अंदर शायद और कुछ हो सकता है.
पहले हो सकता है, right?
कुछ भी नहीं है दीप्ति, बिल्कुल नहीं, खाली है.
Oh, wow.
मैंने पकड़ा भी हो सकता है इधर, so I'll just squeeze the cube.
Oh, so I was thinking that only कि ऊपर से चिराग ने पकड़ा है.
Exactly. Dipti, abhi, now you're going to help me out, okay? This is the top side, this is the bottom,
Yes.
this is the left side, this is the right side. जो भी साइड आप बोलोगे मैं वो साइड टर्न करूंगा. तो आपको फास्ट बोलना है, मेरे को अपने जो साइड्स करने हैं फास्ट बोलना है और मैं फास्ट करूंगा. ओके?
Okay,
So
right.
start.
Right.
Okay. Left. Okay.
Top.
Okay.
Back.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
Top.
Okay.
Back.
Okay.
Down.
Okay. Fast.
Right.
अभी 3 फास्ट बोलो, 3 फास्ट
Okay,
बोलो.
3
right?
fast बोलो.
Yeah.
Top.
Left.
Down.
हाँ.
Yeah.
हो गया, बस इधर ही रुक लूं, क्या और करना है आपको?
नहीं, ये पूरा chaos हो गया है क्यूब तक.
Chaos हो गया, correct.
Yeah, chaos हो गया.
We'll try this one more time. We'll take this. We're going to put it inside the cube so you can. So now I want you to say the word solve. अभी जो कोई भी घर पे बैठा है, I want all of you to imagine screaming the word solve in your mind. Okay, at the count of 3, just imagine the word in your mind. 1, 2, solve. Right? Solve, exactly. Watch this. My hand is empty. I reach inside the bag. I'm going to take out one cube that looks just as good.
ऐसे ही कोरोना सॉल्व हो जाए चिराग, आपके इसके जैसे ही.
अब इतना आसान तो है नहीं. और आपने देखा होगा, मैं अभी अगर इफ यू थॉट, अगर आपको लगा इस वक्त कि मेरे पास बैग में कुछ है, तो इस वक्त आप सही होते, क्योंकि मैंने थोड़ी सी चीटिंग कर ली इस बार. मेरे को लगा आप लोग पूछोगे नहीं. तो here's the thing, क्योंकि ये क्यूब है. I want you to see this. दीप्ति, मुझे वेगली याद है कि आपने मुझे क्या कहा था, इसलिए मैं इसके साथ ज्यादा टाइम नहीं गुजारने वाला हूँ इस वक्त. I'm going to use this cube. और मेरे पास एक ब्लाइंड फोल्ड है यहाँ पर, आपको दिख रहा है?
Yeah.
तो मैं ये पहनने वाला हूँ. I want you to say your time starts now in 5 seconds.
Your time starts now, चिराग.
और मैं क्या करूंगा ना, मैं इधर खड़ा रहूंगा इसको, और मैं पीछे आपको दिख रहा है?
Right. Yes, we can see, Chirag.
Can you see this? Can you see the cube
now? Yes.
Okay. Tell me when to start and I'll start.
Start, Chirag. Your time starts now.
That's it. Done. I think I should be done.
Oh my God, Chirag, it's same.
I want you to see this. I want you to see this. If I got this right, this should look.
Similar. Same to this another
It should look.
cube.
It should look
Yes.
like this.
Yes,
That's the first
Chirag.
side. That's the second side. The third side. The fourth side. The fifth side. Sorry. And the sixth side. That's how we get two cubes to match perfectly.
Superb,
But
Chirag.
this doesn't take away from the fact that क्योंकि मैंने शुरू करने से पहले अपने पॉकेट में कुछ रखा था इधर यहाँ पर.
हाँ.
And I'm going to show this to you. This is a little tiny Rubik's cube.
Oh my
जो कि
goodness.
this happened before I even showed you the Rubik's cube. This happened. I want you to see this. That's
Oh
the
my
first side.
goodness. Oh my goodness.
That's the second side. The third side. The fourth. The fifth. And the sixth side. These are two Rubik's cubes. And before you know it, Dipti, I just want you to watch the cube. And no matter what situation we're in with this coronavirus, I want you to just imagine that things starting to look a little better as we go on with time. You're going to actually start to see this things start to look much better.
Wow. Wow, Chirag. Hats off to you, Chirag.
Thank you.
Too good. Great.
Do we have some
really
time,
great.
or do we have some more time?
We have, say, another 10-15 minutes. 15 minutes
Yeah,
to
okay.
go.
That should be great. How is everybody liking the show? Are they liking it?
It's like they are continuously messaging me, Chirag. Chirag, your voice is like Amitabh Bachchan, and this attract. Well done, Chirag.
मैं तो हम तुम्हारे बाप लगते हैं. Now what is shine?
Really great, Chirag. And then बहुत बड़े बड़े कमेंट्स भी आ रहे हैं. मैं छोटा छोटा अमेजिंग, वाओ, वॉश हैंड्स, वॉश हैंड्स, वॉश हैंड्स.
हाँ, वो तो मैं दूंगा पक्का. Thank you.
Elbow. Yeah. Then,
Okay.
yeah.
So before we go on, before I show you some more stuff, again, I because ये सारी चीजें को थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा, तो अगर मैं आप लोगों को पूछूं घर पे, तो हम बैठे रहेंगे. तो मैं इसलिए दीप्ति की थोड़ी सी हेल्प लूंगा, और आज लास्ट में मैं आपके पास आने वाला हूँ. ओके, जो मेरा ये गले का टैग जो मैंने आपको बोला, जो मैं पहन रहा हूँ इस वक्त, इसके लिए मैं आप लोगों के पास आऊंगा. ओके, तो मेरे पास यहाँ पर वी हैव deck of playing cards. Dipti, just say stop wherever you want. Okay, just say stop wherever you want one more time.
Stop.
There. Okay, I'll stop right there. Can you remember this card? आप सब लोग इसको याद करें. क्या कौन सा कार्ड है ये? 8 of Hearts, correct?
Yes.
आप लोगों को ये कार्ड याद रखना है. ये कार्ड भूलना नहीं है आपको. मैं रिसेंटली ऑस्ट्रेलिया गया था दीप्ति, और मैंने वहां पर काफी सारे जो है सॉक्स उठाए, काफी सारे मोजे. अब नाउ दे ऑल लुक डिफरेंट. थोड़े आपको शायद पसंद लगेंगे, थोड़े आप हंसोगे देख के, लेकिन मन कर रहा था तो उठा लिया मैंने. सो आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंट सॉक्स ओवर हियर. ये बॉक्सेस में से काट कूट के लाया हूं मैं कि कैसे दिखता था वो सॉक्स. बॉक्स पे होता है ना उसका प्रीव्यू. तो मैं चाहता हूं कि आप मेरी मदद करो इसमें दीप्ति. मैं थोड़े जो सॉक्स है ऐसे डील करूंगा इधर, और आपका जिधर मन चाहे वहां पर आप मुझे सिर्फ स्टॉप बोल देना. मैं वहां पे रुक जाऊंगा और आपको सॉक्स दिखा दूंगा. ठीक है? So we'll start from here. I will just keep dealing a few socks. You just say stop wherever you want. Okay?
Yeah, will do. Stop.
There, right there. Okay. I want you to see this. मैं ये sock उठा के आपको दिखाने वाला हूँ इस वक्त. Can you remember what this looks like? ये कैसा दिख रहा है इस वक्त? ये purple sock है, इस पे white stars है.
Yeah, purple white stars.
White stars है, correct, इस पे. और इस पे yellow top है.
Yeah.
Now you just have to remember what this looks like. I'm going to put this inside this wine glass. We'll be sitting here. Okay. अब मैं बाकियों को थोड़ा सा shuffle करूंगा. आप इसमें से कोई भी चुन सकते थे.
दूसरा कोई भी चुन सकते हैं.
कोई भी चुन सकते थे, correct? So help me out, Dipti, again one more time. Just I'll deal again. I'll deal some more socks. Just say stop wherever you feel like. Okay.
Stop.
There, right there.
Yeah.
Okay, I want you to see this. Can you remember this?
Okay.
ये green है थोड़ा. ग्रीन है, इस पे येलो
Yellow.
नीचे है, some yellow dots on this, correct?
Yes, yes.
We'll put this in the glass as well. Now, do you agree दीप्ति कि आप कोई भी सॉक चुन सकते थे, आपका फ्री चॉइस थी, करेक्ट? आपको ये ले सकते थे, could have been this one, could have been this one, सारे अलग हो सकते थे, करेक्ट?
Right.
लेकिन आपने चुने 2, और वो थे, एक तो ये पर्पल वाला and one was the green one.
Green one, right.
बहुत सारे लोग, अगर आप उनको पूछो कि आपके लाइफ में जो चीजें होती है वो क्यों होती है, तो काफी लोग बोलेंगे या तो चांस था, या तो फिर डेस्टिनी थी, या तो अलग अलग आंसर्स होते हैं सबके। लेकिन एक चीज होती है, हम जिसको कहते हैं सिंक्रोनिसिटी। इसका मतलब जो चीज होने होती है वो होती है। इट गोज बियॉन्ड डेस्टिनी, इट गोज बियॉन्ड, मतलब डेस्टिनी का बहुत छोटा हाथ है इसमें, और चांस का तो बहुत ही छोटा हाथ है इसमें। बट जो चीज होनी होती है वो होती है। और मैंने डिसाइड किया था कि मैं आप लोगों के लिए एक शो करूं, और होपफुली मेरा इरादा था कि आप लोग यू फील हैप्पी व्हेन यू वॉच इट। नाउ it's funny that you picked these 2 socks, because I don't generally dress up for these shows, but today when I dressed up, I reached into my sock drawer and I pulled out socks and I wore them just because I was feeling like it. And I want you to see this. I'm going to stand up right over here so you can see this. You picked
Oh my God, Chirag.
the purple sock over here,
Oh my God.
and you picked the green sock.
It's unbelievable, Chirag. You are amazing.
Here's the thing. Before you began, Dipti, you were also thinking of a playing card, right? You were thinking of a playing card, remember?
Yeah.
What was the card you were thinking of? क्या कार्ड सोच रहे थे आप सब लोग?
8 of hearts.
8 of hearts. अगर आप में से कोई मानता कि ये फेट है या चांस है, तो ये तो चमत्कार होना चाहिए था, because you were thinking of 8 of hearts.
Oh my God, that's so funny. I'm out of world now. Oh, I can't believe what I'm seeing. Wonderful, awesome session. Oh my God.
So we are almost down to the end of our show right now. Now I have one last question, 3 questions I want to ask everybody. So we need answers for all these 3 questions, okay? We are going to play a game in which, imagine the coronavirus was not there, ठीक है? हम सब हुए अपने घरों में, हम सब मौज कर रहे हैं, और हमारा प्लान है कि हम किधर जाके एक छोटी सी ट्रिप मना करके आए वापस, ठीक है? तो अभी हम किधर जाएंगे, एक जगह पे जाएंगे सब लोग मिलके, और वहां पर जाके हम कुछ करेंगे, कोई एक्सपीरियंस करेंगे, कुछ देखेंगे, कुछ खरीदेंगे, कुछ बनाएंगे, कुछ भी जो भी हो, लेकिन एक एक्सपीरियंस होगी, ये एक चीज नहीं होगी। अभी आप लोग इतने वाइज हो कि आप लोगों को पता है कि चीजें अगर हम खरीदे तो हमें उनसे ज्यादा खुशी इतनी नहीं मिलती है, लेकिन कोई एक्सपीरियंस हो अगर, तो हमें उससे मतलब इतना फ्लीटिंग होता है वो टाइम कि हम खत्म करें तो फिर हमें लगता है कि वो चीज ज्यादा वैल्यू करते हैं हम।
Right.
गाड़ी, घर, ये सब यूज तो हो जाते हैं, हालांकि जरूरी है, लेकिन कोई भी मटेरियल चीज हो उससे बहुत मन, एक सेकंड में मन लग जाता है, और देन यू गेट यूज्ड टू। So we are up for experiences, and lastly we are going to spend some money on this trip. ठीक है? तो अभी now we need a place to go. I want Dipti, हम किधर जाने वाले? You can answer, टाइप कर सकते हो आप लोग, सब लोग अपने आंसर्स कमेंट्स में, और जिधर आप टाइप करो कि हम यहाँ पर जाएंगे, दीप्ति हमें फर्स्ट कमेंट पढ़ के सुनाएगी, फर्स्ट वाली। ओके, सो वेयर आर वी गोइंग?
किधर जाना है फ्रेंड्स?
पूरे दुनिया में किधर भी जा सकते हैं, ऐसा कोई हार्ड एंड फास्ट नहीं है कि अमेरिका ही जाना है या किधर भी जाना है। सो वेयर एवर यू वांट टू गो वी कैन गो।
सो फर्स्ट कमेंट इज दुबई।
दुबई, ओके, सो वी शुड वी गो टू दुबई दीप्ति?
या
ओके, ठीक है, तो दुबई हम गए। अभी हम दुबई में काफी सारी चीजें कर सकते हैं, करेक्ट?
राइट।
तो हम एक एक्सपीरियंस देखेंगे दुबई में, हम या तो देखेंगे या तो करेंगे, बनाएंगे। मैंने बोला था लाइक देयर इज नो लिमिट टू दिस। सो दीप्ति, प्लीज टेल मी फ्रॉम द कमेंट्स व्हाट इज द फोर्थ कमेंट।
वेट, बहुत इतने कमेंट आ रहे हैं कि मेरा ओके 1 2 3 4 मेलबर्न।
मेलबर्न वो तो जगह है, तो
ओके
वी नीड
सॉरी जगह जगह ओके ओके यू नीड दुबई गोइंग टू। अरे ये अभी
दुबई में
लोग
व्हेन
अभी
वी
सब
गो टू
लोग अभी
दुबई।
लोग प्लेस ही कर रहे हैं। ओके
ठीक है,
मेंबर्स व्हेन वी आर गोइंग टू दुबई आपको क्या पहली चीज क्या बोला आपने चिराग?
सो व्हेन वी गो टू दुबई हम क्या करेंगे वहां पे?
ओके हम क्या करेंगे? सो वी आर गोइंग फॉर शॉपिंग।
शॉपिंग, चौथा कमेंट शॉपिंग है।
शॉपिंग 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 सब लेडीज ही है। चार
सब
शॉपिंग
लेडीज
है।
शॉपिंग, ठीक है, ये तो बड़ा कॉमन है। तो हम कहाँ पे जा रहे हैं शॉपिंग?
ओके वेयर वी आर गोइंग फ्रेंड्स फॉर शॉपिंग इन दुबई?
क्योंकि शॉपिंग तो बहुत कॉमन हो गया, राइट?
मैं दूसरा कमेंट बोलूं चिराग?
हाँ
ईट डेट्स। डेट्स खाने के लिए जा रहे हैं।
ठीक है, बस काफी है ये। सो शॉपिंग, ओके ठीक है, तो विल गो विथ ईट डेट्स, करेक्ट? ओके, तो हम जा रहे हैं दुबई, हम करने वाले हैं डेट खाने, हम डेट्स खाने वाले, खजूर। एंड हम टोटल अपने सफर पे हम कितना खर्च करने वाले? So you can ask them in the comments. Just read the second comment if you want.
How much we are going to spend on eating dates? Please friends reply.
Not on eating dates, on the whole trip.
On the whole trip, sorry, on the whole trip. Okay, second comments, no? Wait. I got the first comment. Oh my god. More than 10,000 dirham. Oh my god. She's more than 10,000 dirham.
More than 10,000 dirhams is okay. ठीक है, so we came up with a few things right now. हमने decide किया कि हम, हाँ?
Yeah.
So Dipti, can you for the first time can you review whatever we decided for everybody who's watching this कि हम कहाँ पे जाने वाले हैं, क्या होने वाला है? क्योंकि आपकी आवाज शायद उनको better आए. So can you please read it? Can you please just tell them what we are doing?
ओके सो जैसे हम लोग ने चिराग ने बोला कहाँ जाना है, चूज करना है कोई एक प्लेस, तो हम लोग ने चुना है कंट्री दुबई। वी आर गोइंग टू विजिट दुबई एंड वहां पे हम लोग डेट्स खाने के लिए जाने वाले हैं और पूरे ट्रिप पे हम लोग खर्च करने वाले हैं मोर देन 10,000 दिरहम्स।
परफेक्ट, अब चलेंगे कभी। थैंक यू। नहीं, शो डज नॉट एंड। मैंने कहा था आप लोगों से कि जिससे पहले मैं शुरू किया कि I have a surprise for you at the end of my show, and I have a surprise for you because I want you to see this over here. This is a tag, a neck tag with a piece of paper and a paper clip attached to it. Right. This will be in the shot at all times, so you can see it. मैं इसको यहाँ से निकालने वाला हूँ ताकि आप सब लोग देख सको इसको, correct? So this is where I can leave this right now. And now you all, in fact, can see what this looks like, right? So all we do is we just take this clip off. You could have picked a place we wanted to go to. You could have picked an activity, an experience that we could do. और आप लोगों ने dates चुना, लेकिन किसी ने shopping भी कहा था पहले.
Yeah, shopping, yeah.
And then they said we'll spend more than 10,000 dirhams, yeah?
Yeah.
I want you to see this. You're not going to believe this. This is what I wrote before the show started. Please read this.
We will go to Dubai when, oh my god, थोड़ा ऊपर कीजिए, when we are ऊपर.
We will wait. We will go to Dubai.
Yeah.
I'm going to read this out. When we are there, we will shop and eat dates. I had shopping covered as well. We will shop and eat dates and spend a total of, they said more than 10,000 dirhams, right?
Yeah, yes.
10,001 dirhams.
Oh my god.
And that is more than 10,000 dirhams. Thank you so much, everybody. This is my show. You can take a screenshot of this moment if you'd like. You guys have been great. हालांकि मैंने आप में से किसी को नहीं देखा, लेकिन आपकी एनर्जी मुझे दीप्ति से आ रही थी, और मुझे इतना पता है कि आप लोग काफी, शायद मेरे हिसाब से you seem happy, and thank you so much for your
Yeah,
time.
Chirag. They are telling Chirag, you are so colorful, positive vibes. Chirag, you are great. You are great magician. Very nice. Enjoyed the session. Fantastic. Oh my God. बहुत सारे comments आ रहे हैं चिराग. Hats off to you.
Thank you.
थैंक यू. मुझे, मैं कमेंट से देख रहे हैं, वी एंजॉय द शो. कमेंट्स पे देख रही हूँ कि आप लोग को और देखना है, लेकिन आई थिंक सो नाउ वी आर ओनली 10 minutes टू गो टू एंड दिस सेशन.
मैं एक लास्ट, मैं यूजुअली अपने शो खत्म होने पे मुझे ऐसा अच्छा नहीं लगता कि मैं ही सब क्रेडिट लूं, तो मैं आप सब लोगों को थैंक यू बोलूंगा. और जिससे पहले वी गो, इज इट ओके इफ आई टेक अ फोटो ऑफ एवरीबॉडी लाइक दिस होल मोमेंट? So I'm
Yeah,
just going to
yeah.
take a photo so everybody can see this. Just say cheese, everybody, wherever you are. Just trust that I will capture you in this photo. Say cheese. 1, 2. Thank you.
Gone.
Is gone.
मेरा माइंड इतना ब्लैंक हो रहा है ना कि मैं सोच रही हूँ कि ये कैसे हो रहा है, कैसे हो रहा है. चिराग, यू आर फैब, यू आर रियली फैब. हम लोग आपको इन पर्सन भी बुलाना चाहेंगे जब ये सब थिंग्स better hoga, because we every year we celebrate World Elders Day on 1st of October is World Elders Day, and we have a great grand annual program from Adata Trust, and we would like you to invite there as well. अभी के लिए मीन्स अगर आपको फ्रेंड्स, आपको कुछ भी क्वेश्चन पूछना हो, we have still 5 to 10 minutes to go.
Yes.
One of the member is made a fool of us and taking photos.
I
Entertaining.
just try to reply by saying it's good to be fooled sometimes in a nice way.
Yeah. Yes, yes. चिराग, ये इतना स्ट्रेसफुल सिचुएशन है ना बिकॉज ऑफ दिस पेंडेमिक, लेकिन आपने इतना जॉय, हम लोग को 1 घंटा ऐसे गया हमको पता ही नहीं चला. जो आपने जॉय हमारे लाइफ में इन दिस जॉय मेकिंग, जॉय गिविंग वीक में आपने जो जॉय डाला है हमारे लाइफ में, इट्स लाइक no words for it. So as I told you that Mumbai First and Adata Trust both has collaborated to fill the joy in the senior citizens life in this week from 2nd October to 8th October. So we are such a great मतलब आप वॉलंटियर्स हो रहे हैं. our COO means Clara D'Souza, Miss Clara D'Souza, she is our COO of Adata Trust, and she is telling convey our thanks to Mr. Chirag. He is very good magician, and yeah. So, and the other organization from Mumbai First, they are also conveying the thanking message to you कि आपने voluntarily इतना हमको टाइम दिया, आपका एनर्जी स्पेंड किया हमारे पीछे. सो वी आर वेरी मच थैंकफुल टू यू चिराग. आपको कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे हमारे मेंबर्स के लिए?
I just want to say, as much as you are thankful to me, I am thankful to you, because हम जो shows करते हैं, we do it. We do corporates, we do weddings, we do all grand scale shows. But I don't think, honestly, and I'm not being, and I'm not saying this for any other reason, but I don't think there's anything that comes as close to fulfilling as performing for causes and for people as appreciative as you. And I just want to say thank you for considering me. I would have done this even if you told me on the same day. Also, I don't think that, I think we are what we are also because of the blessings that we get. And I would just like to thank all of you for your time, and please do send me some blessings so I can also do some great work. And please, not only you guys over here through Zoom, but also do this live one-on-one and spread this joy throughout the world. So yeah.
यस चिराग, हमारे सारे सीनियर सिटीजन्स बोल रहे हैं थैंक यू चिराग, गॉड ब्लेस यू. सब जन आपको ब्लेसिंग्स दे रहे हैं, सब जन आपको थैंक्स बोल रहे हैं फॉर एंटरटेनिंग देम एंड एवरीथिंग. सो थैंक यू चिराग टू बी विथ अस. Hopefully we see you in future very soon, and waiting for your more surprises in person.
Yep.
Thanks, Chirag.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Dipti.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.
Thank
Yeah.
you, everybody.
Yeah. Bye. तो आपने देखा अद्भुत मैजिकल शो, जो मैं तो अभी भी ब्लैंक हूँ क्योंकि मैं इन पर्सन चिराग से बात करते आई हूँ, और मतलब मेरे आंखें देख ढूंढते ढूंढते चीजें ढूंढते ढूंढते थक थक गई है. बट या इट वाज अ रॉकिंग शो बाय मिस्टर प्रवीण एंड बाय मिस्टर चिराग. सो या ऐसे ही अपकमिंग सेशंस आएंगे हमारे टिल 8th ऑफ अक्टूबर. आप लोग रोज आइए, रोज देखिए, हमारे वेबसाइट पे भी जाइए, अदाता ट्रस्ट एंड मुंबई फर्स्ट के वेबसाइट पे भी जाइए. और टिल देन कल मिलते हैं. टिल देन स्टे ट्यून, स्टे सेफ. कल 4 बजे फिर से हम लॉग इन करेंगे और कुछ नए इंटरेस्टिंग सेशन के लिए आएंगे. सो बी विथ अस एंड बस खुश रहिए आप लोग. थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन. बाय.